Yes. But this week we have expiry. Ahead of in the run-up to the expiry, what kind of volatility we should expect from the Nifty and other F&O stocks? Let's discuss that at length with Bhavan Desai, Senior Manager with Equity Derivative Group. He represents Motilal Oswal Securities. Bhavan, good morning and thank you for joining us. Bhavan, February is a short month. We have a holiday this Thursday, which means expiry will happen on Wednesday. So from Monday to Wednesday, what is your outlook on the Nifty?
Choppiness is something that we expect. Couple of things actually. Truncated week generally has large amount of rollover pressure on the Nifty as well as on the stock futures. So these 3 days will be very hefty in terms of rollovers. You have to compensate for 1 day's activity. So that is one. If you look at the rollover stats, it's like as usual all the Fridays that have seen about 20-25% kind of rolls on stocks as well as Nifty. The tally remains the same there as well. So it's these 3 trading sessions which will have to account for the 4 trading sessions worth of rollover activity. Having said that, considering the kind of levels at which Nifty is hovering right now, we've got this pre-found range of 6,000, 6,200, give or take 50 points since the beginning of the expiry, and seems to be holding that particular range now. Around the upper end of the band, you've got OIPCR a little distorted because of the end of the series. You've got VIX at the bullish extreme. So, the idea is that whether or not it makes it beyond 6,200 is something that people will be watching closely. However, aberrations can be expected from the 6,200 level. So, in a nutshell, we might actually be on a pretty volatile note, given the fact that we are at a crucial juncture in terms of sentimental indicators in terms of Nifty, and that the rollover pressure of 4 days will be compensated for in the 3 trading sessions.
Bhavan, so done with the Nifty, but give us 2 stock trading strategies before we let you go.
Would be positive on IT and pharma. I know there have been people who must have discussed these things at length. However, these are the stocks, these are the sectors which have been reliable. I would be happy to go even today with a long strategy on Dr. Reddy and DVs on the pharma space, HCL Tech, followed by Infosys on the IT space, rather than picking up anything on the banking or realty space.
Right, Bhavan, appreciate your time and thank you for joining us. Let's shift gears from an F&O expert to Ajay, who's got details on what dealing rooms are betting on.
Good morning.